Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will be discussing about the escape sequence in Python. So while printing a string with single quote or double quote, it causes some syntax error. This is because a string is already defined in a single quote or double quote. So in order to sort out this issue, either we can just use a triple quote or we can just use an escape sequence. So escape sequence actually starts with a backslash and this interpret differently in a programming language. So if a single quotes are used to represent a string, then all the single quote present in the string must be escaped, and the same is done for the double quote. So let's initialize a string over here, and you can find the string like company and Cybrosys, which is enclosed in triple quotes. So I just need to treat Cybrosys separately in a single quote, and as we just use this, we can just sort out this issue. But if we set it in double quote or single quote, you can see it erases an error. So as we just enclose this with the triple quotes, here you can see the error is just vanished. Now just print the company. And as we just print that here, you can find the result. We got the result as that of our choice. That is Cybrosys, and the Cybrosys is just enclosed in double quotes. Now, let's see how the escape sequence is used for a single quote. So here you can just consider the same example, and let's make a little bit change over here. And let me just name it as company 1. And we just need to enclose this in single quotes. And here you can see, we can find the error over here. So in order to sort this error, we can just use the escape sequence. So I'll be using a backslash over here. So as I just use a backslash, here you can see the error is just sorted. Now you can just print the company. And before that, I also just need to print a statement. So let's print this statement like escape sequence for single quote. So actually there are different escape sequences that is used for a programming language. So now let's run this, and here you can see we have just got the result over here. Now I just need to print this in another line. That is the escape sequence for a single line in another line or in a new line. So in order to do that, you can just use backslash n, and we can just print this in a new line. So as we just look into the out, here you can see we have print the result in a new line. Now I just need to put a space over here. So if I want to make a space over here, I can just go with backslash t, and that would make a space in between these sentences. And here you can see currently we have made a space over here. So these are the other way in which an escape sequence interpret in a programming language. Now let's see how can we just use the escape sequence for double quote. So let's consider the same example and let's make the further changes over here. And as we're just going with the escape sequence for double quote, we just need to enclose this in double quote. And we have to remove the backslash over here. So you can see this erases the error. So we just need to remove the error over here by using the escape sequence. So you can just use an escape sequence over here outside, and the other backslash should be within this double quote. And if you are using the backslash outside of this, still it causes the error. So always keep in mind that as you're just using the double quote, escape sequence for a double quote, this is a way we define the escape sequence in Python. So this is how we just manage the escape sequences for a string in Python. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the escape sequences in Python. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.